Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Food and Makeup Lover Mallika. Today I'm going to show you a very handy recipe, that is bread pizza. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I've taken chopped onion, tomatoes and capsicum. To this I'm adding 1 spoon of oil. After adding oil, I'm adding a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm adding salt to taste. And chili powder. And now we have to mix them well. So here I've taken 2 bread. Now I'm going to put tomato ketchup on it. Now I'm going to spread tomato ketchup on bread with the help of spoon. We have to spread tomato ketchup all over the bread. After spreading ketchup, now I'm adding vegetables that we have made earlier. We have to keep the vegetables in the middle of the bread. Now I'm going to put cheese on over it. If you have olives, then you can pour over the cheese. But right now I'm not having olives, so I'm not putting here. But if you have, then you can add it. Here I have already heated the pan and put butter in it. Now I am keeping this bread pizza here. Now close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes, you can see that how well the cheese has melted. Now I am taking it out. As you can see, it's looking so delicious. It's a very handy recipe. You should must try this at your home. Thank you for watching my channel Food and Makeup Lover Mallika. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.